Okay, so welcome back to another video on Aisha's Academy, and today we're doing algebra substitution, and because it's the festive season, added a little hat. So let's go. Okay, so when it comes to substitute, remember substitute, you think of the word replace, which is literally all you're doing. So in maths, you're replacing letters with numbers. That's it. So if I give example 1, you've got y equals 4x. And the question says x is equal to 3. Remember, letters and numbers next to each other in algebra are multiplying. So if we're working out the value of y, rather than 4 times x, it's going to be 4 times 3, which is 12. And that's it. So we're going to just look at loads of examples so you get into the hang of it. So example 2. If a question says q equals 2c plus d, and it says c is equal to 5 and d is equal to 6, and the question says work out the value of q is equal to 2c, right? Numbers and letters next to each other multiplying. So rather than 2c, it's going to be 2 times 5. And then because you've got plus d on the end, rather than plus d, it's going to be plus 6. So that's going to end up being 10 plus 6. So q is going to be 16. Yeah. So example 3. So it says work out the value of 3p plus 4q. If p is 5, and if q is, oh, we've got a negative number, we've got negative 2. So how we would work this out is, numbers, letters next to each other means we're multiplying. I'm going to keep saying this. So it's going to be 3 times 5 plus, rather than 4q, it's going to be 4 times minus 2. And I want to see if you know the answer of what happens if you multiply a positive and a negative together before it comes up on the screen. So the answer from that will be 15, and it's going to be negative 8. If you work that out, well done, quick maths. So yeah, 15 minus 8 would give you an answer of 7. And so example 4, if it says given that y equals 4x plus 3 and y is 11, and we now need to work out x, we're going to end up working backwards. So if we're working backwards, first of all, I would substitute y in the equation. Then because we're working backwards, it's going to end up being 11 minus 3, because we're working backwards to work out what x is. So that will give you an answer of 8. So we know 4x is equal to 8. Then to work out what x is, I'm going to do 8 divided by 4. And that would leave me with an answer of 2. And example 5. So here we've got a worded question, but it's still using the same concept. So I'm going through this to show that once you apply the same rule, you also get the same answer. So in this equation, it says m is equal to the months. So I've circled m for months, right? So if c is in the equation, it says c is equal to ma over 150. So we've written the months. It says a is equal to 40 mils. So it's going to, rather than ma, it will be 30 times 40 over 150. So then all we need to do is work that out. So that would be 1,200 over 150. And that would give you an answer of 8 mils. And that's pretty much it on substitution. I hope that video really helped, and if you did enjoy this video, please remember to comment, like and subscribe to help grow the family. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please do comment down below, as I'll be releasing a lot of content during this festive period. Thank you for watching.